In this video, I'll be reviewing the VPN Lumos app. Very simple and easy to use. So when you download it on Google Play Store for Android users, you just have to skip their free trial, and then you let them know what you're using the VPN for. If you're using it for streaming, for securing your mobile internet, if you connected to a public Wi-Fi or something, you just select all that, and then they configure it for you. So I selected for streaming movies. So to turn it on, you can see that it's on disconnect. You swipe and good, you turn it on. Simple and easy. So this is how it looks like. Fastest server, so the countries they have available, so you can check any of them. You can see they have all these countries here. And just like I said earlier in the tutorial, I selected for streaming, that's for Netflix and the rest, but you can select it for something different. When I was configuring the VPN, that's what I selected for streaming. So you can see they have all these options for me. Best for streaming in the UK, best for streaming in the US. You just select the location, it's not the VPN, and you're good to go. Good. And now let's tap on the settings. You can see that at the top right corner of your screen behind the premium. If you want to upgrade, you just tap on the premium to do that. You upgrade. You can start a free trial for some days. If you like it, you just continue using it. And now let's tap on the setting button there. You can see there is a moon there at the top right corner. To tap on that to turn on dark mode. Tap on that again to turn on light mode, and you can see there's your account. You need to create an account. I've not created it. Tap on login to log in, and you're good to go. And contact customer support, you just tap on that here, and you have a question. Let's say you want to chat with them, just tap on you have a question, right? And you send an email and everything here, some screenshot and everything. You tap on select file to add that, and you're good to go. So that's it. Now let's come back. So I've talked about the account, the customer support, and then the theme. If you want to share to, is up to you. You can share that. And couple network settings, VPN protocols, split tunneling, and all that. I always say this: if you are good with networking, that's when you are going to use these type of settings. So you enable VPN for some certain apps, and the rest, that's the split tunneling and all that. So that's it for the VPN Lumos, sorry. Very simple and easy to use, but I think you need to have a pro version before you can use it. So at the start, they'll tell you to create an account and then tell them what you are trying to use a VPN for, so they kind of configure it for you. So just like I said, I selected for streaming movies. That's why they give me a streaming option here. Very simple. So if you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to the channel. I have other free VPN reviews you can check out. If you are not ready to pay for the premium, you can check a couple VPN reviews I have on the channel. That's it for the video. Peace.